Dave here, Dave's Model Car Shop, 74 Duster. I built this about 10 years ago, maybe. It's a replica of my buddy Nick's father's car. The only difference is his was a automatic bench seat, and this is a standard bucket seat. Colors are the same. He had louvers on his back window. The kit didn't come with it, so I didn't put it on. This is an old AMT kit. So a little bit of a backstory. My buddy Nick's father, he had the 74 Duster. His was a 318, had cam lifters, cast iron intake with a 4-barrel on it, I believe. It had Moroso valve covers on it. This one don't, but the colors are the same. The block was painted Hemi orange. The car was satin black, or I think it was satin black, and it had the beige roof with the beige interior. Pretty much everything outside of the red exhaust. I don't know why I painted it red, but I did. This is a stock box. The only thing that's not stock is the air breather. Came from another kit, so technically it's not box stock anymore now, is it? But anyways, there it is, 74 Duster. I don't think I've ever shown this on the channel, and if I did, I don't think I've actually ever talked about it. There she is, 74 Duster. This was a really nice kit to build, and I heard people say that it was a really pain to put together. I didn't have any problems with it. The only issue I had, that the taillights weren't in the box when I bought it from, I can't even remember where. I think I got this from Tower Hobby, and that's how long that's been. So, and I know the Demon and this are pretty much the same kit. So I'm looking forward to building that Demon. But anyways, I've babbled on enough. Just trying to get a video out. Update on the box stock Pontiac. Well, nothing. The only thing, I actually thought that I screwed this car up. That's why it was sitting over there and I haven't touched it. Until it was pointed out to me, and I didn't even look at it in the directions, that you can make this a coupe or a hardtop. And I didn't know. I was doing the scribe in here, and it went through. It cut through. And I was like, what the hell did I just do? And then I was like, well, this is screwed. You know, I didn't even look at the directions. Because I think at that point, I hadn't actually looked at the directions. I was just cleaning up the body to get it ready for primer. And I was doing the, like the body lines with the scriber, and I went through it, and I was like, oh no. So I threw it back in the box, and I was going to find something else, and I was talking to my buddy Floyd there And he told me, no, you can do that. You can make it, oh, look at the direction. Did you check the directions? I was like, no. It's like, well, look at the directions. It's there. You can make it a hard top or a coupe. So I didn't mess it up. Well, anyways, there's the update for the old Pontiac. I haven't decided on the color yet, or I think that's about all I've gotten done. I've gotten the engine block built. It's in the container over there. And that's about as far as I've gotten with it. But anyways, thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, sharing, leaving comments. I do appreciate them all. And don't forget, if we ever make it to 500, I'm going to be doing the giveaway. Y'all have a good night. Talk to you later.